Okay, good morning, guys. How are you today?
Good
Good
morning.
morning,
Morning,
Miss
Miss
Hafiza.
Hafiza.
Miss
How are
Hafsa.
you,
You're in
Miss?
Yeah.
office or in home? At home?
We are. I'm in home.
Very in home. I'm in
Yeah,
That's
home.
I'm in
great.
I
home
think
too.
Sony in office right now.
Yes, look at this.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, today,
Okay.
where is Mr. Kevin?
I think
yeah,
I
he's
think
coming.
he
He's
is
coming late.
it's late maybe.
You can
because
wait
he
a
have another
minute.
meetings before this.
How the difficult do you get the difficult in to make this progress, guys?
Uh,
Uh, I'm
yes,
good.
we have several what is it
Problems.
challenges.
Yeah, maybe a little bit problems.
Yeah. Okay, we
It's
are
me
waiting
too.
for we're
So,
waiting, Mr. Kevin. Oh,
Here he is. Okay.
All right, everyone. How are you?
Hello, Mr. Kevin.
hello,
Hello,
hello, Mr.
Mr.
mister.
Kevin.
Hello,
All right.
mister.
Hello, everyone. How are you today?
I'm
Yeah,
great.
I'm
I'm
good.
You
And
I'm
good?
good,
good.
Mr. Kevin.
You
How
you
about you,
already have
Mister?
your coffee? Already have your coffee?
Yeah,
Yes.
sir. Yes,
yes,
sir.
Yes. All right. So before we start our meeting today, I want to ask about how is your division, Magda? How is your division?
For my side, the the management division, we
Mhm.
are facing many challenges or many decline in employee motivation and engagement. So in here, I want to talk about it, and maybe in here we are have some solutions.
All right, Magda. Thank you. Sony, how is your
and
division?
in the finance division, there is also some problem that we need to talk about in this meeting, sir.
All right, Sony. Thank you. Hafiza.
Me as a marketing director, so next I will present our progress together.
All right, Hafiza. Thank you. Hagia.
And same as another division, I have some challenges, and I will give some option for for solve this problem.
All right, Hagia. Thank you. Gading.
Yes, sir. In my division, so far so good. Maybe there is a little bit problem, but I think I can handle that problem.
All right.
Thanks,
Thank you,
sir.
Gading. So I want you on this meeting to sell anything that you want to say, okay? So we can solve the problem together. All
All
right?
right,
Alright,
all right,
Okay.
sir.
sir.
All right,
All right.
sir.
Can we start the meeting now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. You ready, Gading? You ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. So, good morning, everyone.
Good
Morning,
morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
sir.
sir.
So,
Good morning, sir.
all right. I really appreciate your time to come to our meeting today. So, as you know, our company now is on a critical moment, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, yes, over the last 3 months, revenue from our live event has dropped by 35%. So that's not just a fluctuation, right? It's a major setback. So our clients are pulling out, like many competitors are gaining ground, and so we need real answer and we need to talk about it today. We need a plan, and so let's go around the table. First, I want Sonny to start this meeting with where we stand financially.
Thank Mr. Kevin. So here we are. We have 6 months of cash flow at our current burn rate. Our income from event has decreased sharply, while fixed costs remain the same. Salaries and venue partnership, third-party fees, they're all taking a toll. I suggest freezing new hires, reviewing current contracts and pausing all our non-essential spending. We can allocate up to 40% of our reserve, but that must come with a solid ROI packet strategy, sir.
All right, Shani, that's a great idea. So creative is our core value, right? So we can't compromise that easily. All right, maybe I want to hear from Gading. So where do we stand, Gading?
To be honest, Mr. Kevin, our creative output has stalled, and we have been doing the same kind of shows and content. And audiences want more immersive, connected, and digital-friendly experiences. And I have sketched concepts for hybrid events that blend real-time interaction with streaming features. It's not just about doing what we did before, but it's about redefining what entertainment means today. That's all, sir.
All right, Gading.
Before Hafiza goes, sir, I'd like to add something. If we shift toward hybrid events, we need to reevaluate our venue logistic too. Some of our usual locations don't support high quality internet or tech setups. We will need to audit all venues and partners if this becomes core strategy.
That's a great idea, Agia. Thank you very much for saying that. So, Hafiza, marketing has been quiet lately. So, what's your take about this?
Okay, for my explanation, I want to let me share screen to you.
Yes, time is yours, Hafiza.
Can you see the presentation of me?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity, Mister. I want to explain about the internal department review. For the first, it's about marketing and revenue overview. Let me begin with the current state of our marketing. In the Q1 and Q2 of 2025, we have experienced a 35% drop in revenue from live events. Our brand visibility in awakening, and we have lost two major clients in the entertainment sector. Additionally, our digital engagement has dropped significantly, with social media traffic at its lowest in the 18 months. For the second is key issue in marketing strategy. The reasons are clear. First, our branding and message is outdated. We have failed to maintain a consistent posting schedule, and our campaigns like emotional storytelling. Most certainly, we have not collaborated with any influencer, while our competitors are using them aggressively. Our focus and cycle event marketing no longer align with the audience behavior. And about the proposed marketing strategy, to address this, I propose a bold 8-week rebranding campaigns that refresh our visual identity and tone. We will partner with any influencer, post weekly content on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Also, I have idea. How about we can launch the behind the scenes series to humanize our team and process? I think I will drive both visibility and connection. That's enough, Mister.
All right, so I want like Hafiza say on the creative division. I want you to guide as many as influencer to uh, you know take many audience, and we need to push weekly content on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So the schedule will be fine. We can afford ignore the signal. So I want Hagia, can our current infrastructure handle these upgrades?
Not yet, sir. Our tech setup is outdated, especially our streaming gear. At least 4 clients complained about technical issues last quarter. We will need new modular equipment, remote production tools, and a system to test everything before events. But I have a good news. The good news is I have already contacted vendors and we can get favorable terms.
That's a good initiative, Hagia. So Magdalena,
Thank you, sir.
I've
Yes,
heard
sir.
yes, I have heard concern about talent morale. What's the status for today?
Okay. But first of all, Habiza, can you turn the slide? Okay. Slide 4. Okay. From the talent and human resource concern, me as a supervisor in our section that agree that we are growing unrest. So many top of our talent maybe feel underappreciated. So it without a proper like incentive system, a motivation of our talent is low. The worst of it, some have been approached by competitors. Like we have many competitors and want to against our company. So we found also some a communication gap between leadership, me as a supervisor, and many staff. And I think this is making people feel disconnected. So based on this concern or these challenges, me or we are as a strategy HR solution, we are propose introducing a performance-based bonuses to the rewards result, not just a royalty. So we will also maybe roll out a recognition program every quarter. So every people can feel the benefit of this. In addition, we also provide a career development track and also the mentorship. So the talent will be helped to retain the future leaders. Lastly, of our strategic HR solution is we are developing a new internal communication and wellness platform to support their engagement. So our talent will be strong and will be solid to do their job. I think that's all from the concern and strategic from the HR, sir. Yeah.
All right, Magda. So you said like many of our top talents feel underappreciated. So we have to keep our talents feel appreciated on our company, and also we need to keep them so they don't approached by our competitors because
Yes,
it's
sir.
really important and very serious. All right, Magda.
Yes, sir. That's absolutely right.
All right. Sonny, with all this information, what would a responsible budget reallocation look like?
So from the information that Madam Magdalena, and also others, so here's my proposal. 30% with all of this reserve should go to the tech upgrade because this is foundation, and then 25% to marketing since the brand perception need a revival. Also 20% to talent retention, and the last and the final 20% help us on emergency buffer for the future if there's any problem in the future, sir.
Yes, Sonny, we also need emergency buffer. So next, maybe someone
Sir,
want to talk?
sir, one quick point
Yes.
after I heard Sony proposals.
Mm.
If we are allocating 30% to technology, I recommend we prioritize cable equipment, things we can repurpose across multiple events formats. Also, let's avoid long-term vendors locks in right now. Flexibility is key of the next quarter.
That's work for me, Agia. So let's talk about the timelines of our discussion. So, Gading, what's your schedule? Gading, your mic.
I'm sorry, sir. I forgot to turn my mic on. So
Yes.
I think I have 10 weeks for my schedule. That's how long I need to prototype and test our new hybrid event concept.
Can you make it into 8 weeks, Gading?
Uh, Correct, sir.
All
Yes,
right.
I do.
All right. Hafiza?
Yes, sir. I will have the first phase of digital rebranding live in maybe 2 weeks.
All right, Hafiza. And Hagia?
I think if all of the plan is successfully, 4 weeks for full equipment installation and testing, it's enough, sir.
It's great. Agia? Magda?
For this, maybe I will discuss to my friends or my so this is we can get a conclusion or when many weeks we are got. But maybe I will start with begin of one session with our talents next week, and maybe I will introduce the profit sharing proposal. So many the challenges that we can approach and we can get the solutions.
All right. Thank you, Magda. So let's document this plan. Everyone will receive a written brief within 48 hours. So we have to execution this idea begins immediately.
I'm sorry,
Get
Mr.
it?
Kevin.
All right, Sonny, what's happened?
And what if this initiative doesn't produce result within 3 months, sir? What should we do?
Doesn't produce. Yes, if it doesn't produce in 3 months, I think then we initiate phase two, Sonny. Open the discussion with potential partner or investor around us, and if necessary, explore a merger, but only if all internal options have been exhausted. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Anyone want to say anything again?
Sorry, sir, for my interruption.
Yes.
Before we end this meeting, I want to pitch one more idea. The name is a Starlight Reality Show. It's about documentary styles behind the scenes series featuring our team's journey. It could rehumanize our brand, build transparency, and create a revenue stream with minimal production costs. That's all, sir.
I'm very agree with this idea, Gading. I love it. It's raw, authentic, and I think it is could be go viral, sir.
Yes.
Yes, I think getting giving the best idea because this is I think this is gonna be amazing, especially for we as a staff that we can give our solidarity and maybe people will love to being recognized and being popular in that show.
All right.
And also operationally, it's easy to launch. We already have half the gear.
And also, it's low risk financially. I think I support it.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, that's great idea, Gading. We need to also appreciate all of the staff. All right. So making that behind the scene, it's also a great idea, Gading. Thank you for that.
Thank you so much, sir.
So yes, then it's settled for today meeting. So Magdalena, can lead the initiative, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's get moving. We've got one shot to turn this around, and I trust each of you to deliver, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right, sir.
So yeah, let this moment mark the beginning of our comeback. We have acknowledged the problems, laid out the solution, and commit to action. So now it's just time for us to execute this idea and with urgency, clarity, and unity. I believe in this team. I believe in all of you. Let's remind the industry who we are. We are Starlight Entertainment.
Yes, sir.
We don't
Yes, sir.
fold under pressure. We evolve. Every crisis is a chance to innovate, to lead, to outshine. This
Yes,
isn't just about saving number. It's about reclaiming our vision, our pride, and our impact. Remember that.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whatever doubt or setback we face, left them behind in this room. Okay, so just left it behind in this room. So from this point on, we move forward with purpose, with heart, and with absolute focus. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Okay,
you for
sir.
Right, sir.
motivation.
You
Yeah.
already tell it anything from your division, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
It's
sir,
enough.
for the
Thank
word.
you,
Right.
sir.
We will do the
Yeah,
best, sir.
that's all for today. Give applause to us, everyone. All right. Okay. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow on my office, everyone. So yeah, let's enjoy our weekend.
Okay, sir.
All right, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Yes, sir.
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 Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you for your
everyone.
time.
You're welcome, everyone.